Example, the table on the other side shows the distribution of a weight in kilogram of a group of people in a particular community. Weight, kilogram, number of people. Weight from 11 to 14, we have one number of people. Weight from 15 to 18, we have 4 number of people. Weight from 19 to 22, we have 7 number of people. Weight from 23 to 26, we have 14 number of people. Weight of 27 to 30, we have 9 number of people. Weight of 31 to 34, we have 8 number of people. Weight of 35 to 38, we have 5 number of people. Weight of 39 to 42, we have 3 number of people. A. Represent the information in a cumulative frequency table. B. Show the archive of the data. Using the curve, estimate the following. 1. Median. 2. Lower quartile. 3. Upper quartile. 4. 60th percentile. We now draw a table showing X, that is the weight, group weight. We now have the frequency F, we have the cumulative frequency CF, we have the class boundary. Now, when the weight is from 11 to 14, the frequency is 1, the cumulative frequency is 1, the class boundary is 11 minus half will give us 10.5, and 14 plus half will give us 14 plus 5. That is from 10.5 to 11 for 14.5. The next weight S is from 15 to 18. The frequency is 4. The cumulative frequency is 4 plus 1 will give us 5. The class boundary is from 14.5, that is 15 minus half, to 18.5, that is 18 plus half. The next weight, group of weight, is from 19 to 22, and the frequency is 7. The cumulative frequency is 5 plus 7, which will give us 12. And the class boundary is, we have 18.5, that is 19 minus 0.5 to 22.5, that is 22 plus half. Then the next weight is 23 to 26. The frequency is 14. The cumulative frequency is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 will give us 26. The class boundary is 22.5 to 26.5, that is 22. 23 minus half will give us 22.5, while 26 plus half will give us 26 plus half. The next group of weights is 27 to 30. The frequency is 9. The cumulative frequency is 26 plus 9, which will give us 35. Then the class boundary is from 26.5, that is 27 minus half will give us 26.5, to 30.5, that is 30 plus half will give us 30.5. The next group of weight is from 31 to 30. The frequency is 8. The cumulative frequency is 35 plus 8, which will give us 43. The class boundary is 30.5, that is 31 minus half will give us 30.5 to 38 38.5 plus half give us 38.5. The next group of weights is from 39 to 42. The frequency is 3. The cumulative frequency is 3 plus 48, which gives us 51. The class boundary is 38.5, that is 39 minus half will give us 38.5 to 42.5, that is 42 plus half will give us 42. The total frequency is 51. Q, or lower quartile, is equals to 1 over 4 times n, which is equals to 51 over 4, which gives us 12.5. Q3 is equals to interquartile is equals to 3 over 4 times n, which is equals to 3 times 5 over 4, which gives us 3.800. Median count is equals to total number of frequency n over 2, which is equals to 51 over 2, will give us 25.5. Then we go to the graph. We trace 25.5 on the graph along the horizontal axis, where it means the ogive curve. We now trace it downwards. It is 22.5 plus, in your graph there is 3 lines, then it's now equals to 22.5 plus 3, which gives us 25.5. Then the lower quartile count is equals to n over 4, which is equals to 51 over 4, which gives us 12.75. You come to the graph, you trace 12.75 along the vertical axis of the frequency towards the ogive curve. Where they meet, you trace it downwards to the class boundary. Then what we get is 22.5 plus 1, which gives us 23.5. Then for the upper quartile count is equals to 60 times n over 100, which gives us 60 times 51 over 100, give us 38.2. Now trace 38.2 on the vertical axis of the frequency towards the ogive and trace it downwards to the class boundary. Once where they meet, it will be 30.5 plus 1.6, which is equals to 32.1. The 60th percentile is 60 times n over 100, which is 60 times 51 over 100, will give us 30.6. Then now trace 30.6 on the vertical axis, where they meet is 26.5 plus 2, which is equals to 28.5.